Top 50 things to do in Las Vegas. Number 1. Walk the Las Vegas Strip at night. Neon reflections stretch across the pavement as the city comes alive. This is Las Vegas in its purest form, loud, glowing, and impossible to ignore. Number 2. See the Bellagio fountains. Water dances perfectly in sync with music and light. For a moment, the chaos of Vegas slows into something almost peaceful. Number 3. Enter a world-class casino. Every casino is designed to feel like its own universe. Lights, sound, and movement blur together until time quietly disappears. Number 4. Visit the Venetian canals. Gondolas glide beneath painted skies that never darken. It's an illusion so convincing you forget the desert exists outside. Number 5. Watch the city from the Eiffel Tower. High above the Strip, the noise fades. Las Vegas looks calmer from here, almost elegant. Before we go any further, if you're enjoying this journey through Las Vegas so far, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and allows us to keep creating videos like this. Number 6. Experience Fremont Street at night. A massive LED canopy explodes with color overhead. Old-school Vegas energy collides with modern spectacle. Number 7. Ride the high roller observation wheel. As the wheel lifts you above the Strip, the city unfolds slowly below. It's one of the few moments Vegas lets you breathe. Number 8. See a Cirque du Soleil show. Acrobatics, music, and storytelling blur reality. Every movement feels impossible and somehow effortless. Number 9. Visit the Neon Museum. Retired signs glow quietly in the desert night. Vegas history flickers back to life in neon memories. Number 10. Explore the Strat Sky Deck. The city looks endless from this height, and then you realize you can step off the edge. Number 11. See a residency show. Vegas is where the biggest artists pause their world tours. The performances feel more personal and more intense. Number 12. Walk through Caesar's Palace. Marble halls and Roman statues blur fantasy and excess. It feels ancient and modern at the same time. Number 13. Visit the Hoover Dam. Just outside the city, concrete holds back enormous power. It's a reminder that Vegas exists because someone dared to control nature. Number 14. Take a helicopter ride over the Strip. The lights stretch endlessly beneath you. Vegas becomes a glowing circuit board from the sky. Number 15. Experience a luxury buffet. Excess becomes an art form here. Every option feels indulgent and intentional. Quick moment here, if this video has inspired you or shown you a side of Las Vegas you didn't expect, consider sharing it with someone you'd explore this city with. Every like, share, and subscription genuinely helps support the channel. Number 16. Drive through Red Rock Canyon. Minutes from the Strip, silence takes over. Red cliffs glow against desert sky, untouched by neon. Number 17. Visit the Mob Museum. Vegas wasn't built cleanly. The stories here reveal how crime, power, and money shaped the city. Number 18. Watch a pool party by day. Music pounds as the desert sun beats down. Vegas parties don't wait for night. Number 19. See the Mirage Volcano. Fire erupts against the darkness in classic Vegas style. It's spectacle for spectacle's sake. Number 20. Eat at a celebrity chef restaurant. World-class dining hides behind casino doors. Vegas quietly became one of America's best food cities. Number 21. Gamble at a high-limit table. The room feels quieter and heavier. Every decision carries weight. Number 22. Explore. Area 15. Art, technology, and chaos collide inside this immersive playground. Nothing behaves the way you expect. Number 23. See a magic show. Illusion thrives in Vegas. Even when you know it's a trick, it still feels impossible. Number 24. Walk the Strip at sunrise. The lights fade and the crowds thin. Vegas briefly shows its quieter side. Number 25. Visit the Wynn Conservatory. Seasonal displays transform flowers into art. It's calm, elegant, and surprisingly serene. We're halfway through the list now, and if you've made it this far, you're exactly the kind of viewer this channel is built for. Subscribing and turning on notifications helps us keep making cinematic travel stories like this one. Number 26. Try a supercar driving experience. Engines roar across desert asphalt. Control, speed, and adrenaline take over completely. Number 27. Visit the Luxor Pyramid. A beam of light shoots into space from its peak. Inside, Vegas leans fully into myth and mystery. Number 28. Watch a nightclub come alive. Doors open late, and energy builds slowly. By midnight, the room feels electric. Number 29. Take a day trip to the Grand Canyon. Just hours away, the landscape changes completely. The contrast makes Vegas feel even more surreal. Number 30. Visit the Shark Reef Aquarium. Predators glide silently through water. It's calm and unsettling in the middle of chaos. Number 31. Explore hidden speakeasies. Unmarked doors hide carefully crafted cocktails. Finding them feels like solving a secret. Number 32. Attend a championship fight. The crowd hums with tension. Every punch lands heavier in Vegas. Number 33. Visit the Arts District. Murals, galleries, and vintage shops break the strip's illusion. This is Vegas unplugged. Number 34. Ride a roller coaster on the strip. Speed and screams mix with skyline views. Only Vegas would put thrill rides between casinos. Number 35. See a comedy show. Laughter cuts through excess. Sometimes the best escape is humor. Moments like these are why we do what we do. If you're enjoying the experience, liking the video and sharing the channel helps more people discover it and helps us keep going. Number 36. Visit Allegiant Stadium. A futuristic arena rises from the desert. Sports feel bigger here. Number 37. Watch a sunset from the Strip. The sky turns orange behind glass towers. Even Vegas pauses for this moment. Number 38. Go off-roading in the desert. Dust, speed, and wide open space. It's raw freedom beyond the lights. Number 39. Experience a wedding chapel. Vegas weddings happen fast and stick forever. Love moves differently here. Number 40. Visit the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. Flamingos roam quietly behind casinos. It feels surreal and strangely peaceful. Number 41. Stay in a luxury suite. Floor-to-ceiling windows reveal the city glowing below. Vegas feels personal from this height. Number 42. Visit the Sphere, a massive glowing structure unlike anything else on Earth. It feels like Vegas from the future. Number 43. See a residency closing night. The energy shifts when it's the final show. Every note feels heavier. Number 44. Walk the Strip after midnight. Crowds thin and stories thicken. Vegas becomes unpredictable. Number 45. Visit downtown Old Vegas, where it all began, rougher and louder. The past still breathes here. Number 46. Take a late-night diner stop. Neon-lit booths and endless coffee. Vegas never tells you to go home. Number 47. Watch the city from a rooftop bar. Wind cuts through warm desert air. The Strip looks endless from above. Number 48. See a once-in-a-lifetime show. Some performances only exist here. Miss it once, and it's gone. Number 49. Leave the Strip behind. Step into silence just beyond the city. Vegas fades quickly when you walk away. Number 50. Watch the lights from afar. From a distance, the city glows quietly in the desert. Vegas looks smaller, but the memory never does. If this video earned a place on your bucket list, let us know in the comments which Las Vegas experience you'd do first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. It truly helps us grow, and we appreciate you being here.